In this lesson, we'll learn how to customize the login page. The first change we want to make is add some nice background image. We've already prepared an image and placed it in the images folder inside our demo application folder. To set this image at the background of the login page, we'll edit the footer extras file in the hooks folder. We've already added some code to this file before when customizing the home page. That code displayed the current server date and time at the bottom of all pages. The footer extras file is loaded in all our application pages. So we need to add a condition to detect the login page and apply the changes only when it's detected. The login page is demo/index.php. We can obtain the currently loaded page using the PHP global variable $_server PHP self. Another condition that must apply is the presence of the parameter named sign-in as part of the page URL. We can see this in the address bar here. We can detect the presence of the sign-in parameter using the PHP function isSet and checking if the global variable $_get, which stores the URL parameters, contains the sign-in parameter or not. Let's test our if statement to see if it detects the login page correctly. We should see the message, "This is the site login form," only if the login form is displayed. Let's save our changes and test this code. We can see the message displayed indeed in the login page. Let's sign in now. As you can see, the message is no longer displayed as this is not the login page. If we sign out, we should go back to the login page and see the message again. If we go to the sign up page, we should not see the message. So our code seems to be detecting the login page correctly. Let's remove the test message and add the CSS code for changing the background image. CSS code is not part of PHP. So we'll close the PHP tag and write our code outside PHP. We'll open a style tag, then write the CSS code inside it. We'll set the background property of the body tag to the image URL. We want the background image to fit our page width rather than showing empty areas or being cropped. So we'll set some more CSS rules to do this. Let's save and preview the changes. The background image is applied successfully. To make our code more portable, we should remove the /demo part of the script name. This ensures that our custom code will work regardless of the folder name containing our application. We'll use the PHP function baseName to extract the file name from the path. The script name variable now stores the current script name without the path. We can rewrite our if condition to check only the file name and disregard the path. Let's save and test our code to make sure it's working fine. We can see the page working correctly. The second change we want to apply to the login page is adding some marketing copy to encourage users to sign up to our services. Let's add the HTML code for our marketing copy here. We'll give our code an ID to easily select it in the jQuery code that we'll write in a moment. Let's first save and preview our changes. Here's the text we added, but it's not visible, and it's placed near the bottom of the page. We want to place it at the top. To do so, let's use jQuery to move our marketing copy near the top of the page. We'll select our text using the ID we assigned before. Then we'll use the jQuery append to function to relocate our marketing copy inside a special element having the ID login_splash. The login splash element is an empty element in the login page and is already part of the code generated by App Genie. Let's save and preview our changes. We can see that the marketing copy is now relocated near the top, but it's not clear enough. So let's go back to the code and change the alert default class to alert success. These classes are part of the Bootstrap framework. We'll save and reload the page. It's more visible now. Of course, you can change this to something more convincing. You can easily use the concepts explained in this lesson to do so. Finally, let's commit our changes to the repository. Added the background image to the login page. Added benefits message to the login page. And we've now committed our changes. We've included the changed source code of the footer extras file with this lesson for your reference.